Hello and welcome to HoverHacks. I am Shubham. Today I am going to show you how we can create this read more and read less in JavaScript. So let's get started. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing for watching more front-end development video and also like this video. So first of all, I will start with writing some HTML. So this is the outer content div which will contain the text as well as the hidden text. Now inside this paragraph tag will contain the visual text as well as inside this span tag I will write the hidden text. So this text inside the paragraph is always visible. So inside the span tag I will be giving the text part which will be hidden. Now since I want this hidden text to be hidden by default, so that's why I can give a style of display none. So by default this will be hidden. Now let's add a button which will help in hiding and showing the text. Now I had given an ID of more text to the span and ID of toggle button to the button which will help in selecting in the JavaScript. Now let's add some styling to the paragraph and the button tag. Now let's write some JavaScript for handling the hide and visibility of the text. So first of all, I'll get the text and the button. Now we'll add an event listener to the button which will handle the clicking of the button. Now I'll add the logic for showing and hiding the text. So since I had set the default display of the text to none, so I'm checking if the more text style is none, then I want to show it and also change the text of the button. Now since it is hidden, means it is set to none, so I'll show it by making it inline. Also change the button text content to read less. Now let's test the functionality till now. Now since by default the text is hidden, it should be visible as you can see. Now on clicking read less, nothing is happening because I had not handled it. So let's handle the hiding part. Now since the text is already invisible, I have to set the display to none for again hiding it back and accordingly change the button text content to read more. So this is how we can easily create read less and read more button text in JavaScript. Hope you learned something new. Make sure you subscribe to HoverHacks for watching more front-end development videos and like this video. Thanks for watching.